once we have your furniture, the next step is to get everything unloaded and inspected. We look for any damages that the items may have. We also do disassembly right here. That's where we take off any former hardware, straps, slings, or whatever it may be. So there is some science work behind all of this. What we do is we sandblast everything, and that makes a negative charge onto the metal. After that, we preheat the items so that when it does get powdered, it does adhere a lot better. Once it's heated, then we go into the powder booth and we powder it whatever color that is selected. From there, we slide it over to the oven, it gets baked, and then comes out shiny and beautiful. So once your items has been powder coated and passed quality control, this is where it comes, the assembly shop. This is where we put the slings, the straps, the cup feet, the new stainless steel hardware. This is where your furniture comes back to life. Included in the service is taking out your old hardware and replacing it with high-quality stainless steel products. This not only adds life, but also safety to your patio furniture. Also included is replacing all of the end caps in your chairs, tables, and bars. We have an assortment of whites, blacks, browns, and clear to make sure your patio looks seamless. So once your furniture has been coated, assembled back together, and quality control checked, this is the home stretch. It's ready to come home to you. So be expecting a phone call from us and we will get it back to you. Have a great day.